The course title and subtitle serve two purposes. The number one is SEO, and the second one is to get students curious and interested to check out your course. How do you do that? If, for example, you intend to host your course on Udemy, then you will find Marketplace Insights a great tool to help with this. For example, this is a body language course. So what I do is I go to my instructor dashboard and go to Tools, Marketplace Insights. And then here I type in body language. Then scroll down to find the top search keywords. As you can see, for this particular topic, the top search keywords include body language, confidence, read body language, micro-expressions, nonverbal communication, lie detection, and self-esteem. These would be the main keywords to target. Obviously, the more traffic a certain keyword generates, the more difficult it is to rank for it. As you can see here, 40% of the traffic is generated through the keyword body language, and then 4% confidence, language, and self-confidence is not a good keyword because that's a different topic entirely, languages. So the main ones would be body language, confidence, self-confidence, read body language, micro-expressions, and then the rest of them. Okay, so if we go back, as you can see here, body language repeated 2 times between the title and the subtitle, as you can see. And then the other keyword is confidence. It's also here. Although it's harder to rank for the confidence keyword itself because it's only repeated once. Okay, so the one we're focusing on here is body language, right? And lie detection. As you can see here, it generates 1% of the traffic. Okay, so body language, lie detection, detect lies. And the other one is read body language, as you can see here, 2% of traffic. And the other thing we talked about is getting students interested to check out your course. In order to do that, your course needs to promise what your intended student wants. In here, for example, the 3 benefits, as you can see, are read body language, detect lies, and boost your confidence. The big promise here, and it's something we talked about previously, is to win any social interaction. That's the big promise that the course makes. Okay, so 2 things here. We have a big promise, right? Win any social interaction, and read body language, detect lies, and boost your confidence. The same tool that we use to identify the keywords, we can also use to identify the most successful courses, what they promise, as well as the student feedback. We talked about this previously again, because that can tell you exactly what students want. As you can see here, confidence is a big one. Comfortable, okay, body language tools. Self-esteem. The main benefit here would be confidence, and the instructor focuses on it quite heavily here. Confidence. Lie detection and body language, as you can see the keywords as well that are being used here. Whoops, let me go back. Detect facial expressions and body language, emotional intelligence, and with an average of 10%. It's not really a big promise, but it is a promise nonetheless. Body language for business. Okay, nonverbal training, public speaking, presenting, media interviews, and panels. The essentials of body language. It's not really a great title or subtitle. How to decipher nonverbal messages. I like this one better. Nonverbal communication, that's obviously a keyword, right? Yeah, it's a keyword and it's its own topic. Body language, charm, lie detection. So the course teaches 3 things here. How to read body language and use nonverbal communication to be more charismatic, confident, and convincing. Great title, great subtitle, right? Charisma, confidence, and persuasion. One of my other clients, Decker Fraser, focuses heavily on SEO when it comes to his courses. For example, this is a course of his that I promoted for him quite recently, and it's one of his best-selling courses. As you can see here with his title, for example, the keyword is repeated 3 times, right? LinkedIn, LinkedIn, LinkedIn. Just in the title alone, it's repeated 3 times. Obviously, LinkedIn is a keyword, and then LinkedIn ads is a keyword. And then there's LinkedIn lead generation, and then LinkedIn marketing. But when someone types LinkedIn, I'm confident his course is going to show up in the results. Okay, and then LinkedIn advertising course, LinkedIn ads, LinkedIn lead. So what he's focusing on basically is just keywords, right? There are no benefits here, no promises. Okay, so his sole focus here is to just get his course to show up in the search results. So for example, let's type in LinkedIn. As you can see, the course shows right here, 3rd on the first page. As you can see, 4 times in the subtitle, 3 times in the title. So you can really be aggressive and getting your course to rank highly on Udemy. So if you want to focus on SEO, this is the way to do it. Just put the important keywords in your title and subtitle, and your course is going to rank highly for them. Obviously, you can see them in the learning outcomes as well, right? LinkedIn advertising, B2B advertising, LinkedIn ads, LinkedIn. For me, I would definitely use the keywords, yes, as often as I can. And then I would have a few benefits in the subtitle and in the title as well if I can. And then include also a promise. Whatever the course promises, I try to find a way to put it in the title or subtitle. Okay? If you have any questions at all about this, please let me know.